In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Alpic to ChatGPT. To get started, open ChatGPT and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once you're on the main screen, look down to the bottom left corner and click on your profile icon. This is where you'll find the account menu, and from there, the next thing you want to do is click on Settings. After the Settings window opens, take a moment to look through the options and choose Apps. This section is where ChatGPT lets you manage connections and discover tools that can work alongside your account. If you haven't been here before, don't worry, the layout is usually very straightforward. Inside the Apps area, click on Explore Apps, or in some versions you may see something like Add More. Both options are meant to take you to the App Discovery page, so just select whichever one appears on your screen. Once you do that, you should see a search field that allows you to look for specific apps. In that search field, type Alpic. As the results load, look for the correct app name and then click on it. This should open the apps page where you'll typically see a Connect button. Go ahead and click Connect to begin linking Alpic to ChatGPT. At this point, you may be asked to follow a few on-screen instructions. These can vary depending on how the app handles permissions or account authorization, so just read each prompt carefully and continue through the connection process. In most cases, this part only takes a moment. If a permission screen appears, make sure you understand what access is being requested before you approve it. Once you finish those prompts, the app should be connected, and that's it. Alpic will now be linked to ChatGPT and ready to use within the supported workflow. If for some reason you don't see the app right away, try refreshing the page or reopening the Apps section to confirm the connection went through. Also, if the search doesn't return the app immediately, double-check the spelling and try again. That's the full process for connecting Alpic to ChatGPT. Follow those same steps carefully, and you should have everything set up in just a minute or two.